Now, I'm going to begin tonight with a few questions to the founder of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, Mohammad Suleiman, and I request Ratan Sharda and Sanju Verma and Tala Amir Rashidi to allow me this. Mr. Suleiman, I want you to answer my questions and not give a speech. Please answer my questions. My first question is that nobody in this All India Muslim Personal Law Board protest knew anything about this Waqf bill. They did not know anything. In fact, many of them did not even know why they were protesting. हमने पूरे सवाल पूछे, उनको पता ही नहीं है. They have no idea. We kept asking them, बोलते पता नहीं, आप क्यों protest कर रहे हैं, पता नहीं. That means they have no idea. Why did you bring these people from?
Very well. You were searching a few who didn't know anything about the intent of the amendment.
No. We were asking questions.
But you did not.
And the crowd was uninformed.
You did not approach. No, I'm answering. Please listen. I'm answering. Why you have no patience to listen my answer? I'm answering. You did not ask any question with those who were educated, who were there on the stage and elsewhere, those who could reply your questions. You are searching some few persons who, villagers, of course, did not know details of the intent of the amendment. What government is...
Why are people who don't know anything protesting?
Actually...
Why are people who say pata hi nahi hai protesting? Placard leke ghum kyun rahe?
You should have asked why they came. You said it is managed and orchestrated. Not like that. Spontaneously people responded to the call of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board. Which is a body represents the religious issues of the Indian Muslim. And this amendment of the Waqf Act is intended to take away the religious right of the Indian Muslim, which are enshrined and guaranteed.
Now, Mr. Suleiman, my next question is this. See, Mr. Suleiman.
These properties are the divine properties donated by Muslims for the charity, for the noble cause, for graveyards, mosques and madrasas and schools and
okay, Mr. Suleiman, see.
And you say,
Mr. Suleiman, I want to go to my next question.
What do you intend to?
Kindly listen to me, Mr. Suleiman, to my next question.
Please. I'm ready.
Now, this Waqf properties, a lot of money is there, lot of money. Crores, hundreds of crores, thousands of crores is there in these properties locked in, which means somebody is making this money, Mr. Suleiman, and somebody is putting this money into their own pocket. Not 1 rupee from this is used for poor Muslims, which means some Muslims have become very rich. You are therefore representing the interests of these very rich Muslims. You know, the Sachar Committee report found that Indian Muslims face economic hardship, but no money from the thousands of crores from these Waqf properties is used for the welfare of these poor Muslims. So this is a poor Muslim versus rich Muslim fight, and you are supporting the rich Muslims. Otherwise, you should give me accounts of the tens of thousands of crores that is earned from these Waqf properties. किसके पॉकेट में जाता है सुलेमान जी? तकलीफ तो उनको हो रही है, और आप इन गरीब मुसलमानों को यूज करके इनको प्रोटेस्ट में ले आते हैं. बहुत गलत कर रहे हैं आप, बहुत गलत कर रहे हैं.
Are you ready?
Nobody will forgive you for this.
Reply?
Yes.
Have you patience to listen my reply?
Yes.
Mr. Goswami,
yes.
Please have patience to listen my reply.
Have patience to listen to my question. Have patience to listen to my question. Have patience to listen to my question also.
Are there? Are you in position? Is BJP government, can it dare to nominate non-Sikh, non-Hindus? They are in different endowments. Why this government is intending to nominate non-Muslim in Waqf management, Central Waqf Council? work boards and different units.
अरे आप लॉ बोर्ड हैं, आप
This
पर्सनल लॉ
government
बोर्ड है, आप
wants
प्रॉपर्टी इश्यूज पे क्यों घुस रहे हैं? आप पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड है, आप प्रॉपर्टी के इशू में क्यों घुस रहे हैं? ट्रिपल तलाक से लेकर प्रॉपर्टी इशू में क्यों घुस रहे हैं? आपकी इंटरेस्ट क्या है? Why are you getting into a property issue?
That is the reason why
आप उस पर्सनल लॉ बोर्ड है, why are you getting into a property issue?
to protest
आप प्रॉपर्टी इशू में क्यों घुस रहे हैं सुलेमान जी?
Sir, these properties are donated by Muslim community for the interest, for the charity, for the management of the mosque, graveyard and different institutions. Why government intended to take away, usurp the work properties?
This is,
by
you know,
nominating
Mr.
non-Muslim
Suleiman, let me
in
tell
the
you,
work
let me
function,
ask
in
you
the
one
work
question.
board.
One minute.
And why you are
One minute.
the
One minute.
Commissioner, and you are giving
Mr.
a
Suleiman.
right to the district magistrate and collector of the districts.
Yes, because it comes in the territory of India. It is on Indian territory.
We are also part
And Indian authorities have a right over it.
It's not your monopoly. We are equally Indian like you.
Yeah, but don't get into everything. Are you disregarding the powers of a district magistrate? Are you saying a district magistrate has no right in this country?
Fight Indians.
Are you saying a ministry, a government, a district magistrate has no right? He has right over every square inch of this country, I say. Every square inch of this country comes under Indian government authorities. What are you saying?
You are setting a wrong narrative.
You are setting a wrong narrative. With respect, Mr. Suleiman, and my next question to you is this. My next question to you is this.
Mislead the country.
My next question to you is this. You mislead the country, not me, Mr. Suleiman. You are misleading the
We
country.
will go to the people. And today protest was participated by thousands of non-Muslims.
Nobody knew. पता ही नहीं था इनको क्या है वक्फ बोर्ड.
Spoke there in the state.
अच्छा, now my last question is
The
this.
public will not know.
Oh, Republic knows everything. Republic is the most watched, most powerful, most influential and biggest news network in this country. If we don't know, who will know? Now let me tell you this, Mr. Suleiman. The Waqf Board are basically ruled by elite and rich Muslims. You have negligible participation of Dalits. You have negligible participation of tribals and backward Muslims. In fact, minorities like Pasmanda Muslims neither draw any monetary benefit out of these boards, nor do they have any representation on the Waqf board. Why are Pasmanda Muslims not having enough representation on the Waqf board? The nation wants to know.
They are everybody. Here in our community, there is no discrimination.
Why are 16,937 Waqf properties accused of encroachment in India? Why are you encroaching other people's land, encroaching airports, encroaching Archaeological Survey of India institution, even encroaching temples?
We know that. No. Every street, every crossroad, there are temples. We never object.
Anyway, Waqf is not a religious denomination. Waqf is not a religious denomination. It does not fulfill any of the three criteria of a religious denomination laid down by the Supreme Court in the Brahmachari versus State of West Bengal 1995. And therefore, any changes suggested to the Waqf Board will not violate any fundamental right guaranteed under Article 25 and 26 of the Indian Constitution.
We are fully constitutionally rightful to protest peacefully when there is grievance, when there is damages of our future.
ये आपके कांग्रेस पार्टी बोल रही है सड़कों में आ जाओ, इसको पीसफुल लगता है आपको? ये पीसफुल है? सड़क पे उतर आना ये पीसफुल लैंग्वेज है? सड़क पे उतर जाना, शाहीन बाग पीसफुल थी? शाहीन बाग पीसफुल थी?
We have gone for protest with due permission of the administration. We protested today in Jantar Mantar.
Where nobody knew what they were protesting about. किसी को पता ही नहीं है.
Just to mislead.
We don't even know what we are protesting.
आपको नहीं है.
हमने रिपोर्टर भेजा, सबने देखा.
Because you don't want to know. Because you don't want to know.
You don't want to see the truth that I put on tape.
You are andhabhakta viruses.
ठीक है, आपको प्रॉब्लम क्या है? आपको प्रॉब्लम क्या है? आपको आरएसएस से प्रॉब्लम है?
हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम
आपको आरएसएस से प्रॉब्लम क्या है? आपको आरएसएस से प्रॉब्लम क्या है? क्या आरएसएस बोर्ड बना रही है? क्या आरएसएस प्रॉपर्टी मैटर्स में घुस रही है? क्या आरएसएस ने बोला कि इतने एकड़ जमीन हमको दे दीजिए? क्या आरएसएस उनकी रेंट ले रही है? आपको आरएसएस से प्रॉब्लम क्या है? हर बार एंटी आरएसएस बात करते रहते हैं।
हम जानते हैं
ये किस तरह की भाषा है? सुलेमान जी,
यूजर जो है समाप्त करना चाहते, आपकी भाषा मुस्लिम को डिमोनाइज करने की है।
आप मुसलमानों को भड़का रहे हैं। आप मुसलमानों को भड़का रहे हैं,
करते हैं,
आप भड़का रहे हैं उनको, आप भड़का रहे हैं। आप भड़काइए मत सुलेमान जी। डोंट ट्राई टू प्रोवोक मुस्लिम्स।
हम उनको बता रहे हैं,
वो तो देख रहे हैं लोग, दिख रहा है उनको
कि देश का
वो तो दिख रहा है सुलेमान जी, दिख रहा है। जो कह रहे पता ही नहीं है, पता ही नहीं है क्यों प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं,
गोस्वामी
पता ही नहीं है कह रहे प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं।